everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upcycle a t-shirt into a tote bag. So first we're going to lay our t-shirt flat on a table, and we're going to start by cutting the sleeves off of the t-shirt. We're going to start cutting on the inside of the seam of the t-shirt. The next step is to cut the neck of the t-shirt, again on the outside of the seam. The lower that you make the cut, the bigger that the opening of the bag will be. So I'm going to maybe go about an inch outside of the seam of the neck of the t-shirt. The next step is to cut the bottom hem off of the t-shirt. I'm going to cut about an inch up from the bottom of the t-shirt. Next, we're going to cut strips on the bottom of the shirt to make fringes to tie the bottom of the bag together. We're going to cut about 2 to 3 inches up from the bottom and make the fringes maybe about a ½ inch wide. We're also going to cut the inside of the last fringe just to make it into 2 separate pieces. We'll do that on both ends. Once you have your fringes cut, you'll take the top layer and the bottom layer and tie them together. Just doing a simple knot. finish tying your knots, you have a reusable bag.